Stop scrolling. This family conversation could change your life forever.
Sarah, can you come here for a minute?
Yes, Dad. What's the matter?
I've been noticing something lately. You spend almost the entire day and night on your computer and phone.
Dad, I'm just watching videos, chatting with friends, and scrolling through social media. Everyone does that.
I know many people do, but that doesn't mean it's a good habit. Every time I see you, you're looking at your screen.
But I enjoy it. It helps me pass the time.
Passing time isn't always productive. Imagine if you spent even half of that time learning something useful. You could gain valuable skills instead of just scrolling endlessly.
Dad, you're always worried about my activities.
Because I care about your future. The internet is full of opportunities to learn. Your computer and phone can be a powerful tool if you use.
Maybe you're right, but I don't know what I should learn.
There are many things you can learn online. Think about it and try to find something that interests you.
I'll think about it.
Good. Anyway, it's getting late. I'm going to sleep now. Just remember what I said. Don't waste all your time on your phone and computer.
Okay, Dad. Good night.
Good night, dear.
Mom, can I talk to you? Of course, my dear. What's wrong? Dad was lecturing me again about using my phone and computer too much. Well, what exactly did he say? He said I spent too much time scrolling and that I should stop wasting my time on my screen. To be honest, your father has a point. Mom, I thought you would take my side. I always support you, but that doesn't mean I'll disagree with your father when he's right. So you think I spend too much time on screen? Yes, sometimes. There are days when you spend hours watching random videos without learning anything useful. I didn't expect you to agree with Dad. Your father isn't trying to upset you. He's trying to help you. Parents worry when they see their children wasting valuable time. But what am I supposed to do with my phone or computer? Use it to learn something beneficial. Like what? Have you ever heard about YouTube automation? I've heard the name, but I don't really know what it is. YouTube automation is a great skill to learn. It teaches you how to create and manage YouTube channels, find content ideas, write scripts, edit videos, design thumbnails, and understand how YouTube works. That actually sounds interesting. It is. And if you want to learn it properly, I would recommend learning from YouTube Automation Lab. What's that? It's a platform where students learn YouTube automation step by step. The teacher there is Miss Sadia, and she is one of the best teachers in this field. Many students appreciate her teaching style because she explains everything clearly and makes difficult concepts easy to understand. Really? Yes. Teacher Sadia guides students from the basics to advanced topics. Whether someone is completely new to YouTube automation or already has some knowledge, her lessons help them learn in an organized and practical way. That sounds helpful. Exactly. Instead of spending hours scrolling through social media and watching random videos, you could spend that time learning from Miss Sadia. Imagine how much knowledge and experience you could gain after a few months of consistent learning. I never thought about using my phone and computer like that. Your digital devices can either be a distraction or a tool for growth. The choice is yours. If you learn a skill like YouTube automation, you'll be investing in yourself instead of just passing time. Now, I understand why Dad was concerned. That's because both your father and I want the best for you. We don't want to take away your devices. We want you to use it wisely and productively. You're right, Mom. So make a promise to yourself. Reduce the time you spend scrolling aimlessly and start learning something valuable. I think learning YouTube automation from YouTube Automation Lab with Miss Sadia, one of the best teachers in the field, would be a great start. I promise, Mom. I'll start learning and make better use of my time. That's a great decision. You can still enjoy your phone, but make learning a priority. Thank you, Mom. I'm glad we talked. You're welcome. Now it's time to go to bed, go get some rest and start your learning journey tomorrow. I will. Good night, Mom. Good night, dear.
Every successful person started with a decision. Make yours today. Stop wasting time, start building skills, and learn YouTube automation with one of the best mentors, Miss Sadia, at YouTube Automation Lab.